If you are above 50, this tablet can silently damage your body. Millions take it daily without knowing the danger. Doctors rarely warn about this, especially after the age of 50. Your heart could be at risk, your kidneys may suffer, and your bones become weak. Today I'll reveal 4 dangerous tablets. Watch till the end. Tablet number 1, painkillers. Many take them daily. Ibuprofen is one example. After 50, kidneys become sensitive. Painkillers damage kidney filters. This damage is silent. They also affect the heart. Heart attack risk increases. Never take without doctor advice, especially not daily. This mistake is common and very dangerous, but most people ignore it. Let's move to number 2. This one affects your brain. Tablet number 2, sleeping pills. They feel harmless, but they affect memory, especially after 50. Confusion increases. Balance becomes weak. Fall risk increases. One fall can change life. Hip fractures are common. Recovery becomes slow. This is serious. Don't skip the next one. Most people take it daily and regret later. Number 3 now. Tablet number 3, acid tablets. Used for acidity. Long-term use is harmful. They block calcium absorption. Bones become weak. Fracture risk increases. Tablet number 4, multivitamins. Daily use is not always safe. Too much vitamin A harms liver. Excess iron damages heart. Supplements are not candy. Dose matters. Always consult a doctor, especially after 50. One smart choice saves health. Tomorrow I'll reveal 1 tablet you must take. Strengthens bones and boosts energy. Subscribe for part 2.